you can access Java classes from Python using PyJNIus. For the setup, for the download, you need to simply do pip install PyJNIus and it will simply install. For this, you need to have some things present on your system. For PyJNIus to actually work, you need to have the Java development kit with the Java runtime environment. You can install that using winget search JDK and it will simply search online for Java development kit. So I actually like this JDK, OpenJDK 25. You can install this or whichever version you want. I prefer to use OpenJDK 17 in this case. So you can just copy the ID and winget install this. Also, you can also install the Java runtime environment from here. So you can also search for the full builds, whatever you want from here. Now let us clear the screen. Another thing you want to compile the PyJNIus extension is to have a C++ compiler. For Windows, I prefer to use Visual C++ build tools. So you search Visual Studio here. Oh, sorry. Visual Studio simply. Again. Yes. So now you will see here the latest version. The build tools 2026 released this year only. And you can just copy this ID and winget install the same command. Yes, so now this will install the build tools. Okay, so I already have all these things installed. Now simply you need to do is to pip install Python. Python version I prefer to use is 3.0.11 to compile this extension. And then you can do pip install PyJNIus to install it on your system. So now let us first simply import auto class from. Now the package name is PyJNIus, but you actually import from JNIus auto class. So auto class is the function that will return the Java class you want to access. Let's get the system auto class var.lang.system. So this is the class name. Now what we are going to do is to system.out.println. Hello from PyJNIus. And this should work. Let us run python main.py. Yes, it works. So this is actually printing from the Java side. You can also access ArrayList equals to auto class var.util.ArrayList and let us create an array list. Add some objects. And we're gonna print the size. And this will print the size. Let's run this again. Yes, so the size of the array list is 2 because we added 2 objects. Now let us actually create a package, Java package. I will name this as this Novfensec Python. Let us name the class to be Python interface.java. So this is the name that we gave it to it. Now the package, I need to declare this so that it behaves as a package and the same naming convention as this. Yes, so this should be same as this hierarchy. Now let us create a public class and the name of the class should be same as this. Let us create a tag for us. Let us create a variable, constant variable. Final string. The name of the variable should be tag and I will name it Python interface. Okay, so yes. Now let's create a function, public function. PyPrint. This will take a string message. This will take a string and what I want to do is to print out this string with the tag of this. So it actually refers that we are printing from this class, system.out.println. And I'll first print the tag, then this. I can also use the logger, but let's leave that. Just simply print the message as like this, plus message. Now let us compile this. Open the terminal and I will do Java C Python interface.java. Okay, so it is converted to a class. So now let us call this Python. You can use any variable name, but I want it to be consistent. Auto class, name of the package com dot novfensec dot python dot py, in the name of the class interface. Yes, so now we have actually accessed this class defined here, and we can call the function python interface dot py print. This is from python. Let us run this again. It should work, I think. Yeah, it's working and it is printing from the Java class. Let's see if we can access this print python interface dot tag. Yes, we can actually access the tag. So this is how we actually access the Java classes from PyJNIus. I will also tell you more about this in upcoming videos. Initially, this was the introduction for you all to know how it actually works. So I've already created a custom package in front of you all so that you can see how it actually works. So thank you for seeing the video. Please subscribe to the channel.